Today, we are learning new words that start with the letter M. Each word has a simple meaning and example to help you understand it clearly. Watch carefully and enjoy discovering new English vocabulary step by step. This is a monkey, a playful animal that lives in forests and jungles. Monkeys love climbing trees, jumping from branch to branch, and eating fruits. They are smart, active, and fun to watch in nature and in cartoons. Here is the moon, the bright object we see in the night sky. The moon changes its shape from a thin crescent to a full circle. It reflects sunlight, controls ocean tides, and has been a symbol of beauty and mystery for centuries. This is milk. Milk helps us grow strong and healthy. We drink it with cookies, cereal, or just by itself. It's smooth, fresh, and good for our bodies. This is a mouse. It is tiny, quick, and has cute little ears. In cartoons, like Mickey Mouse, mice are friendly and funny, always ready for an adventure. They love exploring every corner they find. This is a mushroom. Mushrooms grow in forests and fields. They come in different shapes and colors. Some mushrooms are used for cooking and make food taste yummy. They pop up after rain when the ground is wet. Here is a mountain. It is very tall and often covered with snow. People like to climb mountains or look at them because they are big, peaceful, and beautiful. From the top, you can see far across the land. This is a motorbike. It has 2 wheels and goes fast on the road. People ride motorbikes to travel and explore. Riders wear helmets to stay safe. The engine makes a loud buzzing sound when it starts. This is a microscope. It helps us see tiny things that our eyes can't see. With a microscope, we can look at bugs, leaves, and many small details up close. Scientists use microscopes to make amazing discoveries. This is a magnet. A magnet can pull metal things toward it, like paper clips or fridge doors. Magnets are fun to play with and great for simple science tricks. Some magnets are strong enough to lift heavy objects. This is a marker. We use markers to draw bright pictures and make colorful art. They come in many colors and help us create fun designs. Markers help turn simple ideas into beautiful drawings. This is a mango. Mangoes are sweet, juicy fruits with bright orange inside. Many kids love eating mangoes in smoothies, salads, or just fresh slices. Mangoes grow on tall trees in warm places. Great job! Today we learned many new words that start with the letter M. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time for more fun words and new adventures. You did amazing, and I'm proud of your learning. Bye-bye.